Well, Devi as well as the fourth official is state champ Ranjita Devi. So it is a mixed lineup of the referees. As you can see, the players are ready, as well as the captain. The captain of the team, Anjila Tumbapo Subba. And we are well aware about.
Well, the trailer is out of enough.
Definitely so.
And it looks very promising. The story, the biography of Nepali skipper Anjila must be an inspiration for the millions of kids here at Nepal.
I had goosebumps looking at it, Ashish. It will be such a historic movie. We are very assured. Match, we can see the two captains, Renuka Nagarkoti, Rashmi Gising, Geeta Rana, Rekha Paudel, Preeti Rai, Bimala Chaudhary, Sabita Rana Magar and Nisha Thokar are on the stage. Dilnura on goal, Kachibekova Ullara in the centre back, as well as Nagima, Tatiana, SM, Alina, Ayana, as well as the other players Adelieda, Medina, Zebek and Kostyuk. And this will be the kickoff. Nepal in their regular red and Kyrgyzstan will be in their white. This is Violet International Women's Championship. And our commercial and strategic partner is Brand Logic. The broadcasting partner, Kantipur Max HD. You can also watch our broadcast on Kantipur Max YouTube channel.
Well, Nemeth Jan Jakorev has opted for the 4-3-3 formation, which means Tatiana, Ashim and Alina.
About the last three games, Kyrgyzstan, they've only won once against the Korea JPR. And after that, they had consecutive losses against Qatar in 10th of October. Now Nepal go forward. This is Rashmi screening the ball. The latest match was against Uzbekistan. They got defeated 3-2 in the AWC, as well as a centre-back partner, Nisha Thokar. Preeti going around the defender. Preeti. That was a good tackle. Preeti still there. Preeti Rai trying to regain the possession. The cross might be put in. Still there, Rashmi. This is Renuka. Renuka with the shot this time, and that's a wonderful save there by the goalkeeper. It's Rashmi turning with the ball. Trying to find Rekha. Good control there. Rekha still there. This can be a chance. Rashmi is free there, and that is a shot. And that is missed there by Sabita. She was one of the best players in the SAF Women's Championship last time, and she filled up the void left by Hira in the left back position. Now it's Sabita. Still Sabita trying to show her pace. Sabita goes past the defender, across, a header, and that is the very first goal. Bimala Chaudhary. Ecstasy here for the Nepali faithful as they cheer up for the first goal of the game.
What a classic pass to the far post from Sabita Ranamagar. Very well timed header. No pressure whatsoever. Opted the far post to put the ball inside.
Rekha Paudel going past the defender, trying to at least, and she saves the ball at least. As you can see, there is much activity nature of it. As you can see, Rekha. Preeti with the cross. Still can be a chance. Bimala with her very first goal at the midfield. Preeti still going in front. Oh! You can just tell superiority maintained in this match. 15 minutes gone. Nepal 1-0 up. Sabita with a change of pace, and she will definitely win a comment. A good cross put in, could be dangerous, still a chance there, and a shot, a wonderful save. Bimala could have got her second. It's Renuka. Renuka with the shot this time, and that just flies above.
Been facing for Nepal.
Sabita with the pass this time. This can be an opportunity. Rashmi with the shot, and wonderfully blocked there by Bimala Chaudhary, the goal scorer. The cross was dismal. There will be another chance. Now this is another chance for Bimala. A better cross this time, could be dangerous. Ullara is just still there, the defender. Bimala trying to regain the ball. This is
so many other things as well as Sabita's crosses as well.
Rekha with the pass this time. Rekha with an option to cut back. There can be a chance where Rashmi could pounce. Nepal once again going in front. They are now the bright shining Preeti Rai. A pass there which was intervened. Still there's a chance for Nepal. Preeti switching it on to the right hand side. Sabita, good combination there. Rashmi with the cut back now. Communication. There's a lack of communication there. Preeti with a chance this time. Preeti with the shot. A save there by the skipper. They'll look. Preeti Rai. Might be a time it might go down to the goal scored. So it is very necessary that Nepal registers a healthy goal difference today. Preeti going in front. This is Bimala in support. It's Pooja. Rekha with a good turn. Rekha with the shot. Straight into the hands of the goalkeeper. There were two options in the middle. Definitely so. You can see Nepal going for the kill once again from the left hand side. Preeti passing it to Rashmi this time. This is Bimala. A shot there which will be comfortable. Still Rekha. Rekha cuts it in. Here's a chance. Rekha still going. Trying to get a free kick. Possession with Nepal. A tidy clear turn. Preeti trying to find Rashmi. She's brought down a free kick for Nepal.
With a very cautious approach for this particular match, we can match already on the left, away towards in the corner on the line. Now this could be a move. Cross from Chaudhary.
A cross being put in. Another chance. Preeti with the chance this time. Preeti with the shot which goes high and wide. Rekha comes back for the support. A pass there onto the left hand side for Bimala. Bimala with the pass. Rashmi, a good touch there. Rashmi with the shot and that just hits the crossbar. Sabita and that again. Rekha with the shot. Once again it's saved. Astonishing scenes here. The foul. Sabitra Bhandari Samba is coming in. That is that. And this will be a happy homecoming. The number 9, the fierceful lioness that she is. She
is going to play 3-person in the back, especially just Geeta, Nisha Thokar and Pooja Rana. And now Preeti will have some time in the ball, especially.
Now Rashmi gets the ball once again, and no look pass there for Rekha. Option there for Sabita. Header could be there still, and that is another goal.
It is a handball,
or is it?
Abhinav. It's a handball, and she might just get a card, and he came up with the magical goal that's to be forever the best ever goal in the history of World Cup.
The rest they say is history.
The referee, as I said, as a foul. Pooja over there. If we look at the Kyrgyzstan team, they have excelled in the second half. They have actually covered all those loopholes and frustrated the top players of Nepal. And Nepal have not been able to come up with goods.
Sabitra Samba Bhandari, she's looking for that impact, her introduction to her faithful. 62 minutes gone, there is still time to make that impact. And what a crowd it is today at the Dasrat Stadium. Always there for their beloved players, always in support, always in full voice. And there is a good attendance, as you can tell, in the Dasrat Stadium today. Lining well on the flank. Sabita still. Sabita with the cross. Samba still. Still there's a chance. And a shot from Rashmi. Nepal still trying to make an impact. Another shot here. And that was almost in. Rekha couldn't.
Karima and as well as number 4 Ullara.
Now going in front is Kyrgyzstan. This is a chance. And Anjila comes in front to save it. One of the mere chances Kyrgyzstan got in the match.
The part of the pace and not being so clinical too.
Good turn by Rashmi. Sabitra goes in front. Sabitra still there, Nepal. Samba.
Attack. Not able to keep the ball or the position into the opposition half.
In either of the sides. Preeti now with the free kick. Movement inside the box. A good cross put in. And that is squandered there by the goalkeeper. Sabita still. Rekha tidying up for another opportunity, Nepal. A shot being put in, which was very, very dismal there by Geeta.
Well, first ever error by
The defense that is from Kyrgyzstan. You can tell. Cool is incoming. Oh, another turn. Beautiful touch there by Preeti. Once again, it's Samba approaching from the right. Samba gets the ball. Options inside the box. Rashmi was there still. Preeti. A pass there for Renuka. And that is another touch. Rashmi still battling out. Rashmi trying to lay it off for Samba. Renuka still tidying up the midfield, tidying up. 52% is the possession. Geeta with the cross this time. Still there's a chance. The ball was lost amidst the crowd. Renuka. A pass there for Sabita Ranamagar. Could be a chance. Sabita, and that is squandered once again. What is the first match? Let's see. Now, Rashmi going in front is from the left. Rekha with the cross. Cap of the ball. This is Kyrgyzstan going in front. Alina Gaparova. Pooja. Cleared there by the defender. This could have been dangerous there for Nepal.
well, that's a
It's Samba. Rekha. Rekha with the shot, and that just flew out. Samba. Seemed intentional, as if Pooja stepped onto the opposition's foot there, and she will be cautioned for it. Pooja Rana will be booked. Stan Ayana Karatieva, that is the care. Ayana with the shot, and that just goes out. Samba setting it up for Anu Bosne from the right hand side. A cross being put in. Could be a chance. And that will be a chance for Samba. Still there is a chance. Preeti, and that is high and wide.
well, especially for the Nepal, the way they have been poor, especially at the opposition half, and just not able to convert all those chances. Maximum of the chances were taken from outside of the danger area boxes, but failed to keep the shots on target.
57% for 43. 24 shots for Nepal and 1 for Kyrgyzstan, and that